Today, you're going to learn how to add a class in QuickBooks Online UK version. In this walkthrough, we will go through each step clearly so you can start using class tracking with confidence. Class tracking is a great way to organize your transactions, whether you want to separate departments, locations, or categories within your business. Once it is set up, it gives you much better reporting and helps you understand how different parts of your business are performing. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online UK account. When you're in the dashboard, head over to the settings icon in the upper right corner. From there, look under the section called Your Company and select Account and Settings. This will open a new window with different groups of preferences for your QuickBooks account. On the left-hand menu, choose the Advanced tab. This is where you'll find various features that control how your data behaves. Scroll down until you reach the section labelled Categories. Here you'll see an option called Track Classes. Turn this on by sliding the toggle. Once it's active, QuickBooks will ask you how you'd like to apply class tracking. You can choose to assign one class to an entire transaction or assign a class to each individual line in a transaction. Pick whichever method works best for your workflow. When you've selected your preference, click Save and then Done to confirm the changes. Next, return to the settings icon to finish setting things up. Under the List section, click All Lists. You'll now see several list types that help you organize information. Select classes from these options. This is where you will add the actual class names you want to use. Click the New button to create your first class. Type in the class name, such as a department or location. If you want to create a hierarchy, you can choose to make it a subclass and select a parent class that it falls under. Once you're happy with the details, click Save and your new class will be added. That's it. You've now successfully set up class tracking in QuickBooks Online UK. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.